Mom, me and Mia are home. I'm in the kitchen, kids. Come over here. Hey kids, I am just about to make a cake. Can you help me? A cake? Oh, that's so cool. I would love to help. Yes, me too. Okay, first thing you have to do is wash your hands because you just came from outside. Go on, Mia, you can go first. Thank you. Wash, wash, wash. Wash away the germs. Good. Now can you help me mix the ingredients? I want to mix it. No, I want to mix it. Kids, you can both mix it. You can take turns, just like you took turns washing your hands. Now, who washed their hands first? I did, Mum. So this time, Danny can mix first, so it is fair. Mix, 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 mixing up the cake. Now Mia's turn. Mix, 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 mixing up the cake. Perfect. Now I'm gonna put the cake in the oven. The oven is super hot, so please stay back. Okay, Mom, do we need to set a timer too? Yes, exactly. Well done. Can you help me find it? I found it. It's over here. Good job, Mia. Let's set the timer for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later. Mom, I think the cake is done. Let me check. And please stay back. It's still super hot. It's done. Now let's all sit down together and eat. One for you, and one for you. It's so good. Thank you, Mom. And thank you, kids, for helping me. What about me, kids? Oh, that is good. Thank you, Mom.